No. Now, let it be as we discussed. But you really have to take it easy and understand me, please. These are mere talks from children. I should not be taken serious.
You call it mere talks? Eh?
Mm-hmm.
I know that whosoever said that to her must have said the same thing into the ears of many other people. Eh? All I want your daughter to tell me is where she got that information from. That's all.
It's of no use. But I will still talk to her when she comes back. That is if you insist.
I insist, please.
Okay.
I will swear an oath that I do not know anything concerning the death of my brother and his wife, Akam Deocha.
Ndudi, you are going too far on this. Has there been any day you told me anything concerning my daughter and Chuka, and I failed to take the necessary actions?
No.
Then why is this one getting into your bone like that?
No, because death is involved and there is an allegation. I will have to do something. I will definitely do something.
Leave my house for me.
Mama, how can you be pushing your daughter like this?
Okay, I'm telling you. You will leave my house today.
Hey.
You will not kill me before my time. You will never work for you.
Mama, this is not fair.
This is your house.
Mama.
Rosemary, you will go. Look for where to go. Not in my house. That I cannot tell my daughter. Advise my daughter and my daughter will be dead to me. This is your remaining clothes in this house. Just stay there with me. Carry your things and leave my house for me.
Mama, what's all this now? Mama, this is not fair. This thing you're doing is not good, Mama. Mama, this is injustice. It's not fair.
Rosemary, how is it injustice? Eh? That you opened your mouth so wide and you were saying what you are not even sure of. Do you even know the implication of your utterances?
Mama, but you were not there. You were not there when everything happened. Do you know what she said to me?
And the only reply you've got to give her is that they killed Chuka's parents. Eh? I hope you are ready to come and defend that at the village square.
Yeah, until then.
Listen, you will not stay in this house till then. You will leave. Oh, go. Let me have my peace of mind.
Mama, you should have heard from me before reacting this way. This thing you're doing is not good. It's not good, Mama. I'm your daughter. You should take sides with me. Mama, what's all these things now? It's not fair now. Mama, it's not fair, Mama.
Just go. Leave my house. Why did I bring this trouble upon myself in the first place? If I had not decided to help Chuka and his sister, this trouble wouldn't have come to me. Rosemary, Biko, just go.
Mama, you're chasing your daughter because of someone else. Mama, this is not fair. Mama, it's not fair. Mama. Hey.
Ijoma, what is it? Ijoma, what happened? Are you sick again? Huh?
Madam Rose has fired me.
Huh?
She said she stopped coming.
Hey!
She said I should not work for her again.
I expected this to happen. Ijoma, I expected this to happen. You know, when she told me she didn't need my services anymore, I knew yours would be next.
How? How? When I thought she has forgiven you? She has forgiven you.
Uncle Ndudi. Uncle Ndudi is the cause of our problems. He's been going, in fact, I was told He's been going to her and discussing us. Uncle Ndudi, that man is a very wicked man.
So what do we do now?
Ijoma, I don't know what to do. But thank God we were able to save some money before this happened. Uncle Ndudi, that man is very, very wicked.
You're welcome. Thank you. I was told you came to the house looking for me. So I decided to come to find out why you wanted to see me.
Uncle, yes, I came to your house.
I hope all is well.
Uncle, all is not well. But first, thank you for honoring my invitation. Uncle, all is not well.
So, what is it this time?
Uncle, I called you because I don't have any other person to call. Uncle Ndudi is trying to kill me and my sister. Uncle Ndudi, that man is trying to destroy my sister and I. Uncle, do you know that man stopped me from entering my father's farmland? He also stopped me from touching my father's palm trees. He's been going around telling people lies about my sister and I. Uncle, as we speak, because of his wickedness, my sister and I were sacked from work. In fact, that's the reason I haven't gone to work for days. Uncle, he's been going around telling people lies about my sister and I. Why?
You have to calm down first. But if I may ask you, are you in any way having an affair with Umachi's daughter?
Uncle, absolutely never. I can never do a thing like that.
So why will he stop you and your sister from working for her?
Uncle, he needs to come and answer that question. Uncle Ndudi has to come and answer that question and tell us when he saw me having an affair with that woman's daughter.
It's alright. I have heard your complaints. I will call Ndudi to order.
Uncle, I called you because I don't have any other person to run to. And I don't want to take laws into my hands.
It's alright. I promise you, I will do what I said.
It's okay, Uncle. Uncle, I'm sorry I couldn't offer you any cola. I don't have anything to offer you.
It's alright. Do you always have anything to offer? Let me be on my way, John.
If you had told me before now, I would have kicked against you talking to Uncle Ejiogo. That man is a crooked man. He's just like a snake.
Ijoma, we can't continue to pretend. A problem shared is half solved.
As true as that is, but not when it has to do with Uncle Ejiogo. Mba.
Maybe I should just leave this village. I want to leave this village.
To where?
Ijoma, to anywhere. I'm not sure where. But I want to leave this wicked village. Yes, I want to.
Chukwuka, don't come and make yourself a typical case of who moved from frying pan and entered fire. Instead of journeying to the city, why don't we go back to our maternal home?
What?
It's just here.
Our maternal home?
Yeah.
Ijoma, how can you think of a thing like that? Huh? Ijoma, we have tried. we have worked tirelessly to ensure that they see us as their own. But it's not going to be like that.
We'll keep trying. We will keep trying and we'll keep putting it in prayers. There is nothing God cannot do. Hopefully one day they will change their mind about us.
I'm just tired.
I can see that Mazi Ejiogu is the one misleading Undudi.
Ah, Mazi Ejiogu is the backbone. You don't know? Ah, that boy don't suffer. And how did he now go to bush to fetch from home and take it to one market to make some money? And the sister now joins that woman.
So I heard. I also heard that he makes a lot of money from that business. They say there is no day he goes home with nothing less than 3,000 naira.
He makes a lot of money.
Yes, a lot of money.
You are the one saying this thing. 3,000 is a lot of money he makes. 3,000 naira. Why are you like this? Okay, why don't you call your son like my sister to come back to this village and join him in making a lot of money? See, about come home for there. Making small change to survive. Not making anything.
If he refuses to share the pot, I will inform Chuka to make sure he takes the matter to Igwe and the elders in council. That is what I'm going to do.
He has no choice. He has no choice. He can't counter.
Yes. That is exactly what I'm going to do.
Boy dared me. Huh? Going to the extent of reporting me to the elders. Can you imagine that?
Is that why you are lamenting? It's as if you don't know me again. I am that Ejiogu. Eh? The master of all games. Mother yourself. See what our elders. I know how to handle them. What are you talking? Just get ready. We are going to go to their houses after one another. A small envelope. There is hunger now. You will see them making you come. Don't worry about that. Why are with you?
Why are we wasting time? Let's go immediately.
My friend, it all depends on your pocket. If you are ready for the movement, who am I?
Okay. Do something. Even if he may borrow you, I will do something before the next meeting. Elders, I should be here for audition.
There's no problem. There's no problem. I'm here for you. Wait. Remember what you promised me. I can't be doing all this next
I am not selfish. Okay, and I'm not aware. Company. As one book.
You're my friend, I trust you.
Oh, yes.
Brother.
Oh, Joma, you're back.
Yes, so I'm back. Ew.
Welcome.
Thank you. What is it? Why are you in this mood? Did somebody die?
Ijoma, even if someone died, Can it ever be as painful as that of our father and mother? No. How did your day go?
The day went as you said it would. Those people. They didn't even give me a chance. Not one chance to say why I came.
But Ijoma, I told you were wasting your time and money.
You did.
Wasting your time and money. Henceforth, you're by yourself. You need to understand that and embrace it.
What about you? What about you? How did the meeting with the elders go?
It ended in quarrels. Yeah. Ndudi denied. I never asked him for my own part of the land. He said he's just hearing that for the first time. I said, okay, cool.
As if I'm surprised. So, what did they now? What now happened?
The elders said I should keep asking him. In fact, I should go back and ask him. I said, no problem. I'll do as they say.
We must see the light at the end of this tunnel. That's what I know. We must.
Ijoma, you see that man called Uncle Ojiogu, or whatever his name is? He's worse than the devil himself.
He was there at the meeting?
Yes, he was. Fighting and quarreling everybody, but supporting Ndudi. Quarreling with everybody. Quarreling, fighting, sounding very authoritative. But at the meeting, Ndudi was his best friend.
Well, if you will listen to me, I'm suggesting that we forget about these elders and forge ahead with our lives.
And how do we survive?
Let us pretend they don't exist. I learned a lot from Madam Machi. I now know how to fry akara and do a few other things. So, what I'm thinking is that we should start our own akara frying business with the little money that we have and grow from there.
I called both of you here so we can settle this matter as a family. Chuka, I heard what you said at the meeting. Please, can you repeat exactly what you said for your uncle's hearing?
Uncle, thank you very much. At the meeting, I said, in fact, I'll repeat myself. And I'll cut a long story short. Uncle Ndudi, my father's brother, has refused to give me my father's properties. Uncle Ndudi categorically stopped me from entering my father's land. I want justice.
Thank you, my son. Ndudi, you heard what your nephew just said. Is it true?
Thank you.
know I'm a man of peace. Huh? That's why you invited me here. I came in the interest of peace for the family.
Thank you.
As the only surviving son of this family, the right of owing whatever belongs to our father falls to me. I own everything. He doesn't have anything. Huh? He's not a son of my father. He's just a son of my brother. Huh? So everything belongs to me now that his father is not alive again. So if I like, out of my benevolence, I can give him 1 or 2 pieces of land for his survival. That's if I like, oh. Huh? So that is the way it is. This one is going about reporting me to elders. Eh? All this gra-gra he's doing is nonsense. Everything belongs to me. In Ania?
Okay, everything belongs to you. Why did you not say this at the meeting? Why did you lie to the elders that I didn't say anything to you? Why did you lie to the elders that I didn't come to tell you that Uncle, I'm not afraid of you. I am not afraid of you. I just have respect for you. If not, Uncle Ndidi, if not,
what will happen?
Uncle Ndidi, if not,
what will happen?
Uncle Ndidi,
Uncle Ndidi, what will happen?
It's alright.
Uncle Ndidi, be careful.
You hear what he's saying?
I only respect you because you're my father's brother.
You respect me? You are not afraid of me.
I'm not afraid of you.
You want to take what?
Why did you not tell the elders what you just said?
You want to say
why did you lie to them that I didn't lie anything to you?
You don't have any right.
Why did you lie to the elders that I never told you about the land?
You are an elder, please calm down. My son, calm down.
Did you hear him?
I heard him.
He lied to the elders that...
It's okay, it's okay.
You were there. You lied. Okay.
Calm down. Please calm down.
Uncle, you were there. He lied to the elders that I never mentioned this to him.
I know.
And now he's telling you something different.
Just calm down. I said calm down. Ndidi, please calm down. I thought I could settle this as a family matter. But since it has gotten to this, there is nothing more I can do. You will have to go back to the elders and tell them exactly what he said. Please, this is the list.
This man is a hypocrite. Eh? You are a hypocrite.
You are telling me
why did you not
look, because I'm respecting you. Look,
it's okay.
I am not afraid of you. I am not respecting you because of my name.
It's alright. It's okay.
It's because of you that I'm here.
Thank you.
Njoku le.
What brought you to my house this about the night?
You know, they said when a toad is running in daytime, it's after something, or something is after it. But this time around, the toad is running in the night.
That was a proverb.
It is you that I came to see.
What for? I hope all is well. Let's go.
No, it is night already and it's getting late. Hold this. This is for you.
What for?
You know, Chukwuka, has joined this group of boys that smoke this drug they call Many.
What?
Yes.
May the gods of our forefathers forbid evil. How come?
You know, I did not want to expose him in that meeting about this Mkpurumiri. You see, when boys join this group of boys that is smoke Mkpurumiri, they sell everything they have, land, property, even their shirts, only to buy this Mkpurumiri. The big issue now is that he wants us to share our father's land and property. And so that he will take his own and buy this Mkpurumiri and be smoking. We will not allow that. We are not selling any land. So wherever he wants to get his money to buy Mkpurumiri, let him go and get it. So that's, I have spoken to other elders about it.
You are very correct. You are very correct.
So the issue now is that we will stand on our ground, that there is no sharing of property, no sharing of land.
Bam.
Let him know where he will get the money to buy his drugs.
You are right.
So that is what I came for this night. There it is, mine. You remember what I said? No sharing of land, no sharing of property. If not, there will be danger.
Go away.
Okay, thank you. Greet your wife and children.
Ijoma, the elders favored Uncle Ndudi.
What happened?
The moment I walked in there, everyone began to look at me like I was a mad person.
Did you behave like a mad person? Did you act in any way that is funny?
No. I didn't. They categorically told me I have no right to touch what belongs to my forefathers. Someone even called me a prodigal son.
You see why I said you should forget about these people. Didn't I say it? Chukwuka, didn't I?
Mazibe, why betray me? Why? Ijoma have been building castles in the air. Hi.
Oh yes. Let me see how that idiot will cross any of those land, and that will feed his cup to the vultures.
Had it been you listened to me at the initial time, when I asked you to let them go out from this village, all these problems will not be coming because they will not be around. Oh yes.
Look at it. They will not go to the city and hustle like their colleagues. Mba! They will stay here to drag the business of palm wine and the tapping of palm wine with me.
Wait, don't be angry. I want to ask this question so that you will clarify me. These properties now, does it belong to you entirely?
To me for now.
For now?
Yes.
For now. What if tomorrow they wake up and demand for you to share it?
Don't worry, I have a plan on that. Before they wake up, I must have executed my plan.
Ndodi. Okay, I thought you have relaxed. But let me just watch you and see whether you will put these words into action or relax as you normally do. Come here, Leno.
But not this time. This time.
Papa, I heard everything you've been telling Mama. Everything both of you have been saying, I heard it. See, on this very one, tomorrow may be too late. If you've not heard that language before, let me tell you.
You're gonna tell me.
Mama, be talking to this your husband now. Eh? See, Papa, whatever plans you want to execute, do it now. Tomorrow is pregnant, and you and I don't know what is going to give birth to. I hear me, Papa. See, Papa, you act like a man for once now. Eh, Mama, I don't understand this your husband. No. Act like a man. Eh? It's not every day you say, I will do it today, I will do it tomorrow, I will do. Before you know, they will just out of this village. And me, okay, Papa, I'm not ready to live here now, like forever. So do something. Eh? Procrastination, they say, is what? The killer of
I have decided to start the Akara business like I told you I would. This money will go a long way for a beginner like me.
Joma,
Yes.
you're very hardworking. And I'll put you in prayers. I beg God to send customers your way.
You mean our business? Because you will join me in this.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Chukwuka.
I'm coming.
Chukwuka, come now. You know what they say, the energy of two will double the money that we'll make.
Joma, I have this little money saved. I know it's small, but add it to the one you have. I'm sure it will go a long way. It will help.
How long will it take?
5 minutes. You want 1 flight, just
maybe these people are using me for this their business. Because this is not ordinary.
Are you trying to say that Mbeku does not know what he is doing or what? Is that what you are insinuating?
I am really confused about this matter. With all this money he has collected from us.
Who knows? These people we are calling children might be going to a higher native doctor. That is why the more we try, the higher they become.
What do they know? What do they know?
You are here saying, what do they know? What do they know? Children of these days. Eh? They can do anything more than we expect or more than we could even imagine. Look, let me tell you. Why is it that the more we try, the higher they become? The more I see eba, how we see eba. If we go this way, they will go the other way. And they will be more progressive. And now progressive more than we expect. If Mbeku does not know what he is doing again, then we can try native doctors, like higher native doctors like Ogwebin, Akreka, or Onkenken. They are more powerful. Eh? Come on, I never mean papa in anya. I know only in chapa in anya. These children, they are going to a higher place. So we have to match them and be ahead of them. Huh?
Maybe they are using charm for this their kind of business.
Oh, Ndode. You grow up and be a man. Stop behaving like a woman. Eh? And a good suggestion how to make things possible. You know, say maybe. Eh? What is even your problem? We're supposed to be smarter than them. Or the other way around. You know, everyone say maybe. You have to put everything into action. You are behaving like a woman. Did you call you for my liking? Wait, I know what to do. I'm not even I'm the one supposed to be the man in this family, not the woman. You know, no. I know what to do. Any news about them? They are progressing. It's like the growth of this land has really favored them. It favors them very well. Will you shut up your mouth? You know anything about us and who they favor? I thought you have a good news for me, for my ear. Not good news about them, but good news for my ear. I'm talking about God favoring them. See, why don't you talk to me? Let you and Papa put heads together and give me money so I can start our business. See, Mama, it's not just going to fetch firewood every day for you. I'm a very good businesswoman. Look at Mama Rose that is doing this business. The woman is progressing very well. And Mama Njideka at Opo Market, she's selling very well. She's making plenty money. Mama, I will make you proud if you give me money to do that business. Yeah. Now you are talking. You are talking now. If it's about giving you money for business, don't worry. I will discuss it with you. Hey! I will make sure to give you money for business. Leave me because you take one money. What are you talking about? Oh, funny. Hey! You're the best mother! Let's rush and go.
Ma. Where are you running?
I was coming from your shop. I went there and your workers said that you have left for the day.
Yes.
So I was running to meet up with you.
Is everything all right?
Yes. I wanted to talk to you and your brother, but I know that Chuka is still angry with me. So I want to talk to you so you can help me
talk to him on my behalf. Please.
It's okay. Let us go to the house and talk.
No. I know you are already stripped off for the day. So if you go home, you will like to rest. Let me say whatever it is here.
Okay.
Please. I know that my husband has wronged you and your brother in a big way. And as a mother that I want to come into the matter. Please. Whatever my husband has done to you, in any way that he has wronged you and your brother, I beg with the name of God, because of God and humanity, and for my own sake, please, I want you to forgive him, you and your brother. Please. We can amend whatever it is and live together as one family peacefully. You know we are one family, you know. I can come with my husband and my daughter for them to apologize. See, all these things my husband is doing, he's not doing it on his own. No. It's someone that is pushing him to do all these things.
I know.
You know. Nemo, Bikon, please.
No, please stand up. You don't have to kneel before me. It's okay. I have forgiven you. I forgave you a long time ago even.
You forgive?
From my heart. And I will talk to Chuka on your behalf like you have requested.
Hey, Nemo.
I'm happy we're finally at a point where we can live as a happy and peaceful family.
Hey, God bless you.
Bless you too.
God bless you. Hey, I will sleep peacefully tonight, knowing that you have forgiven me.
Okay.
You have forgiven my husband and daughter too.
Forgiven everybody. Mama.
God bless you.
Bless you too.
God bless you, my
Bless
daughter.
you too.
Let me run back home.
Okay. Bye-bye.
I'm done with the bridge. Is there any other thing you would like me to help you out with before I leave? It's okay. Let me be on my way. Thank you.
I'm calling you, you're just watching.
I want to go and buy something.
EJ Chooks fast food!
Where else? You know, they are the best in this entire thing.
I'm telling you.
And you know what? Since I came back from the city, I have not eaten any other akara. And I don't think I will eat any except there. Oh yes. Even if I travel back to the city, I will come down here, buy the akara, eat it, then go back to the city.
What of your babe? Is she not going with you today?
Okay, she will be in her house. After all, she's not my handbag that I should be carrying her everywhere I go to.
You know, let's go. Come back.
Relax. You see, I'm so not now. And because I don't have much of it this morning. Maybe tomorrow or next time. Please, Chidi, let me rush down before the finish. I'll see you later, Chidi.
Okay, now.
I'll see you later.
Okay, now, wait a second. You promised me later. Eat your shoes. Okay, now, bye-bye.
IJ. The one and only IJ.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Please give me a 200. Sharp. Let me go step down.
Listen to what I'm hearing.
What
is your babe? Okay, she's running mad.
That is very strange. Yes. I mean, someone I was with today, nothing was wrong with her.
I also heard that it was because of the quarrel that you had with her. And as you know, they say some women can go crazy over some men. I can see that now.
Chidi, but I didn't quarrel with her. I only got angry because she alone ate all the akara I bought that day. That was all.
Wait. Are you sure that was all?
Chidi, make your investigation. Go and ask that woman that owns that joint where we manage. Go ahead. I didn't quarrel with her.
Oh, y'all. This yam, man.
Anyway, see, I will go and see her.
You will go and see her? I'll go with you. I mean, I'm with you in this one.
I'm okay, sir.
Yeah, okay. I'm not okay now. I'll meet you. I'll come there. I'll come out there.
IJ.
Stay for me,
Before go. I will.
Not like you now leave me here and go.
IJ. Please, here's your money.
Chidi, see you later, eh?
No, you can just do your thing.